guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori with Alex and Wellington, who are right here. Here's a tail. I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you today, and a nice cozy fire, and the fox butt. How about a fox cup with the fox tail? I know, crazy, huh? And it's not even that cold out, but it feels cold. It's like rainy, cold, wet, yucky. What do you want, buddy? All right, come here. All right, we've got one of the black cats. This one is Alex. There you go. And they're a little silly today, but whatever. I'm a crafting fool. I'm going to have some videos out real soon, but I needed some supplies. So I ran to the Dollar Tree to pick up the things I needed, and I want to share them with you. All right, so we'll start with silliness. Fur flops. Like what? I feel like these are more slippers than sandals. I mean, I'm not wearing them outside, but they're soft and cute, and they'll be fun in the summertime. And they were $1. I did go with the 9.10. I wear an 8.5, 9, so I figured why not? I wasn't trying them on in the store. And if they don't fit me, they'll fit Sarah. Fur flops for the win. $1. I picked up some more cotton twine. It ended up being I didn't need any more, but I did get some more. For whatever. You can use it all the time, you know? I got a bunny tail because I'm sure something is going to come up and I'm going to need a bunny tail and I don't have one. So I bought one for $1. These are on, not roach clip. Apparently these are lobster claws or crab claws or something claws. I don't know. But you can also take that off and just hot glue it, whatever you're going to do. So I got a bunny tail. I got for my freezer out in the garage. I have an upright freezer. So I grabbed some Fresh and Natural. And I think you open both sides, maybe? Yeah, you open both sides. So I'm going to stick this in my outside freezer. Like you do. I was on the hunt for these the other day and they didn't have them, but the store I went to today did. These are the 2 stretched canvas. I have the hard ones, but I needed the stretch. So I grabbed 2 of those, so if I want to make any more signs, I can. Because you really never know how long the Dollar Tree is going to have something, and that was something I needed specific. I bought this coffee to try. I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. It's hazelnut. And again, I know it's a great value. It's 6.5 ounces for $1, but we'll see if I like it. Why not? It's Premier brand, MW Polar Foods Inc., Norwalk, California. It's a medium roast. So we'll try it. It's hazelnut. I like hazelnut coffee. That's what I'm drinking now. Not that brand, but hazelnut. With a little foamed milk. I don't know if I can get you to see it. A little foamed milk and cinnamon. I lied, it's foamed cream. Foamed cream. For the Christmas present that I bought, these are the towels that I use to line my cleaning bucket. I clean with them too, but they're nice and thick and absorbent, so if any of my cleaning product were to spill, it would absorb it. So I grabbed 2 of these for the gifts that I'm making for Christmas. So I did that while I was thinking about it and saw it. Obviously, I don't need that right now, but you do what you do. I got these plates. These are the styrofoam. I bought the paper plates before, but they seem to absorb the paint, and it gets kind of weird, so I went with styrofoam so it wouldn't. Plus, I can rinse these off and kind of make them last a little longer when I'm doing painting projects, because I have a few coming up. So I just grabbed a stack. This is 40 for $1. I don't think that's bad. I can also feed the cats on these on days that I don't feel like washing their bowl. I don't know what that cat is doing over here, but he's crazy. But I can feed the cats on these too, so they're nice to have around the house. I picked up one of these for some spring decorating. I like the ribbon with the lace in the center. So that's pretty. I grabbed one of those. I did pick up a 2-pack of these pots for $1. I'm going to open it. So I'm going to take them upstairs and paint them here in a minute. sort of paint them. So I had said the other day on my Target haul, I bought this pot from Target. And they are the exact same size pot, a little different in design, but they're the same pot. So I'm going to do this white on this one with, I have a seafoamy kind of green color for my succulent, because I've decided they're too big. The babies will fit in my succulent planters, but not the large plants. So I have 2 of these. So I might do one in like a green and maybe one in gold. I don't know, but they were 50 cents. These are definitely rougher. This is smoother, but it's the same concept. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to bring you along. I'm doing a little vlogging today. I'm going to bring you along while I transplant Spike. There's 2 of them, so I'm not sure. There's Spike and I don't know. It's been a long day already. It's 4:15. I'm starving. I've only eaten 1 meal today. I'm hungry. I'm going to order chicken wings for dinner. I grabbed one of these and one of these because I'm not sure which one I want. These are the small ones. I have a project I'm working on after this video. I need to start it because it's going to take some time to dry, and I want to wrap this in one of them in greenery and hang on it. I'm leaning towards this one, but I grabbed this just in case. And these were obviously $1 a piece. So I got those in my little crafting world. I picked up these Easter baskets. Let me show you. At my work, we're doing a March Madness employee appreciation type situation thing going on, luncheon. And for decorations, it's a basketball net. Is that not adorable? And then I found these basketballs, like just styrofoam basketballs. I don't know what we're doing. Somebody can figure out. We'll make some kind of something. But for decor, I thought that was pretty neat. So I grabbed these, 2 of these baskets. And 2 balls, and they're just styrofoam. And if I don't, I mean, after the party, I'll take them back. I use these for topiaries all the time. So yeah, I grabbed that for work. Oh, crafting world. I picked up one of these. Have you seen these? I mean, it's so sparkly and fun. I'm going to use this to add to something. It's not going to be its own thing, but I love adding a little pop of sparkle. And this is like the blue, almost like a frozen ice blue. It's so pretty. It's dropping glitter all over my living room. So I will warn you of that. But what I probably will do is like cut a piece off and use it in like a wreath or something, just as a little bit of sparkle with my country decor. So I grabbed one of those. They're called onion grass, but I've seen them in pink and yellow too, and they are super sparkly and bright. I've never seen onion grass that color before, but what do I know? What do I know, guys? I found one of these coffee cup notepads. And this one just says coffee time. These are crown jewels. It's a coffee shaped notepad. It does have the magnet on the back, but I just use them to write notes and lists. And it's a coffee cup. It's a coffee cup, guys. I don't even have to say anything else, right? Now, and I think it's in 2 weeks, a coworker and I are going to Cincinnati with her grandkids to see some Jurassic Quest is called. It's a interactive play thing for kids. I don't know, I don't have kids, but anywho, we're staying at the hotel overnight, so I thought I'll grab a few things for the kids to do while we're at the hotel. And I thought one is 5, one is 3, I believe. So I got the 5-year-old a puzzle we can put together, and it's superheroes. They're boys, and it looks like that when it's put together, and I hope it has all the pieces. Can you see that? I don't know who these superheroes are, to be quite frank, but it's a Marvels. I'm assuming the kids know. And then for the 3-year-old, I just got one of these little puzzles, but it's the dinosaurs. So I thought that was fun and themed, and it just goes right in here. And it also says what kind of dinosaurs they are. So hopefully they get some fun out of these little puzzles. So I grabbed one for each of them. We'll bring other stuff too, but this for now is what I've picked up. I have some Easter stuff that I found, which is really, this was the reason I went out today. I needed some crafting supplies, but was on the hunt for these bunnies. Look at that. Is that not adorable? They open. Well, I won't open this one. They open, but I think I'm going to paint his, like, Billy. I don't know. I'm going to do something with this guy and make him fit my decor because he's adorable. And he's big and fat and round, and you can stuff him. So I grabbed the purple, the blue for the boy child, and pink for the girl child, my niece and nephew. And I wanted to show you what they will hold. So this is Sarah's for now. I don't mean, this is not necessarily what's going in it, but I put some things in it. So they do come apart. And what I have in here is pretty large stuff. I have a box of M&Ms from the Dollar Tree. This is all from the Dollar Tree. I have the Dove peanut butter eggs that fit in here. And then I got her this egg with nerds in it. It's just a metallic egg. But all of that fit in here. And then there was room for like some other things. So these are pretty good size, you know, to be able to put the kids or whoever a little fun gift in there. You could probably fit a little outfit or a stuffed animal. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. Candy or nothing. And just what I'm going to do is sit it on my mantle for Easter because he's cute. She's cute. It's cute. So I got 3 of those. Like I said, one for me and one for each of the nieces and nephew. And then for Atticus, I got extreme sour warheads because he's a boy and don't boys like gross candy? I don't know. So I got him the warheads and Sarah the nerds. And I just thought these were cute. Just a little something to add to their Easter. Toys, candy, whatever. I think that's probably close to it for candy for them. And then I'm going to pick up a something. I don't know what. Just a something for each of them. Like a book or something, you know, fun and exciting. And then the last thing I got was the other reason I went out. And this is going to be the project I'm getting ready to work on. And I'm sure you have seen 100,000 times. Taking the picture frames and making a window, a faux window. I found these frames and I love them. How wide, I wanted a wide frame. So the glass itself is only 3.5 by 5, which I don't care. But I wanted the wide frame to be a substantial farmhouse window. So I picked up 9 of these. I will connect them together using E6000 and popsicle sticks, tongue depressors, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to put a video together and then I'm going to, after it's all dry, I'm going to flip it over and paint it farmhousey white. And then do some wet distressing to take away some of the white so you see some of this dark wood, it's plastic, come through. And then I'm going to glue the glass back in. So I have 9, I'm going to make it a 9-pane window and it's going to lean up. These are not big. And then it's going to lean up on my, I have a hutch. I'm going to put it on there. And then one of these is going to become the wreath to hang in the center of the window because I'm going to put greenery on it. So that's kind of where I'm at with my DIY. My next DIY, I have one DIY coming out here. Hopefully this afternoon it'll be finished. I need to transfer everything over and then edit it. And then I'll get it, oh, excuse me, I'll get it out for you. So I hope you enjoy. Have a great one and I will talk to you later. Bye. Happy crafting.